This is a Michigan University Science Festival.
This one, Alright, let's careful. Oh!
A celebration of science it offers seminars, demonstrations, tours, open houses, guest speakers, and lots of hands-on activities.
And this thing's been around people so long, it's hard to make it scared. Get scared. Get scared.
Take the maggots, dip them in paint, and let them crawl all around a sheet of paper, and you get a really awesome design. And so it teaches them about the different life cycles.
So for the children, we're telling them about what a scientist could do. They could be working outside or in a laboratory or doing animals.
I thought it was very well run, no lines, and all hands on. It was real neat to see.
There we go.
Put it back in. Where'd you come